Hi everyone, this is TL. If you want to improve your English skills such as reading comprehension, you're watching the right clip. Today in this clip, we will focus on reading comprehension for this week. This is what I'm going to do. I will show you the text and I'm going to read it slowly. When you hear, you can practice with me by repeating after me. And I want to make sure that I stop a little bit in between the sentences so you can take your turn and read the sentence. After that, I'm gonna ask you some questions related to the text to see how much you understand and how much you remember from what you read. Today, the topic is our vacation. Just as you know, this level is for beginners. I hope you enjoy it. Before I begin, I would like to go over some vocabularies that you may see in the text. Are you ready? Okay, so the first word is vacation. Vacation. Vacation is a time when you ask for a day off or a period of time like a week, a month off, and to be away from your work or your home to relax with your family. For example, I took a vacation to Vietnam last summer. The next word is sailboat. Sailboat is a boat operated or pushed by a sail. For example, the sailboat was delayed by a strong wind. The next one is to surf. Surf means you stand or you lie on the surfboard and ride on the waves towards the shore. For example, he likes surfing. Okay, so I think that's pretty much the vocabulary for this text. So we will move on to read the passage. Ready? Okay, so it's time to read the text. Follow me. You can practice by repeating after me. Our vacation. Every year we go to Florida. We like to go to the beach. My favorite beach is called Amazon Beach. It is very long with soft sand and palm trees. It is very beautiful. I like to make sandcastles and watch the sailboats go by. Sometimes there are dolphins and whales in the water. Every morning we look for shells in the sand. I found 15 big shells last year. I put them in a special place in my room. This year, I want to learn to surf. It is hard to surf, but so much fun. My sister is a good surfer. She says that she can teach me. I hope I can do it. Now that you've read the information about our vacation, I have some questions for you, and I'm gonna give you a little bit time to think about the answers, and then I will let you know what they are. Here the first question. My favorite beach is 1. Surf Beach. 2. Amazon Beach. 3. Palm Beach. 4. Long Beach. You can type your answer in the comment box below. 1, 2, 3, or 5. Okay, your answer should be Amazon Beach, which is, which is number 2. Okay, so question number 2. What animals do I see in the water? 1. Dogs. 2. Sharks. 3. Dolphins. 4. Starfish. Go ahead and type your answer in the chat or comment box below. So your answer should be number 3, dolphins. Now, question number 3. How many shells did I find last year? 1. 50. 2. 12. 3. 5. And 4. 15. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Type it in the comment box below. So your answer should be 4, 15. Question number 4. What do I want to learn this year? 1. Sailing. 2. How to find shells. 3. Swimming. And 4. Surfing. Please write your answer in the comment box below. Your answer should be number 4, surfing. Question number 5. Where did I put my shells last year? 1. In a box. 2. In my room. 3. In Florida. And 4. In the garage. Please type your answer in the box below. Well, your answer should be in my room, which is number 2. Great. That is about our vacation today. I hope you are able to read the text and answer the questions. Don't forget to follow with me for the next practice. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.